Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing amazing. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are gonna learn Toba Toba, all the hook steps, and I'm gonna teach it to you in a very easy and beginner friendly manner. So this is going to be a step-by-step mirrored tutorial, but disclaimer alert, I cannot play the song in the background due to obvious copyright issues. But I promise that even without the music, I am gonna count everything right on the beat as it is on the song, and we're gonna learn it really well. So let's start. Please bear with me for the sound as well, because I'm not shooting with any fan on so that my sound can reach to you all properly. So please bear with me for that. Now as you can see that I'm bare feet, so that you can learn this part, especially this part really easily, and you can see exactly what position my legs are going. So yeah, let's start. Let's start with this step only, because that is the best part of the choreo and why save for the last. Okay, so this step goes like, okay, now as you can see, you have to first turn to your right side a little bit. Okay, so that is the position you're gonna perform your step in. Now what's the step and how does it look like? You have to first lift your right leg like this with a jump. So you're gonna jump on your left leg and lift your right leg above. Okay, so this is how your legs look. Let me show you from the side. Now my left leg is not fully straight. This is how my legs look fully straight. It's a little bent, so I am supported via my left leg as my right leg goes up. Okay, so this is the first step. The next step is basically you step down your right foot on your heels. Okay, and it faces the right side. Your toe faces the right side, so your heel automatically is down. Okay, so this is how your legs position gonna look like in the second part of this step. Okay, so my left knees are a little bit bent and my right leg is fully straight with my toe up on the air towards the right side. Okay, the next thing which you're gonna do is bring your left leg inside. How will you bring it inside? You will just slide it in. Not slide it in, you will just step it in like this. Okay, not slide, you will step it in. Okay, very small step, not a big step like this. Okay, it has to be a very small step. Okay, so your right foot stays in the same position as it was, and you're gonna bring your left leg in. Okay, that's it. That's the part. Now the sync is the most hard part, right? So we have to do it very slowly, part by part. So first, as we learned, we are gonna jump. We are gonna put we're gonna put our right leg outside, and we have to bring our left leg in. Okay, so 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Now let's do it bended, which is the original part. So let's turn to the right a little bit. Jump, out, in. Jump, out, in. Jump, out, in. Now for the first position, you're of course not shifted to your right side, so you have to jump on your position, but after you complete the first step, you have to jump a little bit back with your left and continue the step. Okay, so you are in your position, you are not moving. So okay, so let's do it from the start. 1 2, bring it in, up, down, bring it in, up, down, bring it in. Okay, now we have to do it a little bit quicker now. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. I hope that you got it. Let's try it again, slow, then fast, and then to the original rhythm. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Okay, so I hope that you got it. Now the original rhythm is like this. Okay, now as you can see that my jumps or my steps are not very intense or very big. Okay, they are really small and they just are right what is needed. Okay, so you have to understand, and that will come with practice. So 1 2 3, jump in, 1 2, jump in, out, in, jump in, out, in. Now our hands go like this, which is gun hands. Okay, these two fingers are bended in. These two, index and your middle finger, is right above, and the thumb is out. So we have to do this, and while we are doing this, our hands go out. Okay, and when we are jumping in, our hands go in. Our first hand position, of course, will be these gun hands, because of course our first position is starting from a jump. So this looks like 1 2 3. So we are sort of making a small circle. Okay, so this is the position our hands go. Okay, it's similar to what our legs do. As we extend our legs, our hands also extend. As we move or jump in, our hands also get in. Okay. So let's turn and let's try to do both of these parts synchronously. 1, 2, 3, jump. 2, 3, jump. 2, 3, jump. Okay, now you have to do a little bit of hip movement too, just to give it a little bit of sass. You can omit this if you are doing it for the first time, but I will really say to sort of, bring in the character that Vicky Kaushal did. That's why he looked so good, because his body language was so good. Okay, so what exactly the steps look like with the hip movement is basically the same thing. Your body is just going from left to right and then in, left to right and then in. That's the same thing you're going to do with your hand, with your hips and with your legs. Okay, so it goes. Okay, it's very easy when you look at it, but the sync is the main thing. Our hands are in, our hips are in, our right leg is also in. Okay, now as we go out, everything goes out. See, my hand is out, my hips are out, my leg is also out. And as I step down, everything is at its outmost position. So my hands are very elongated, my hips are fully out, my right leg is fully extended. Okay. Now as I move it in, all of these stay in the same place, and as I jump in, everything goes in. That's it, guys. That's it. That's literally it. All you have to do is just practice more and more. Slow, medium, and then the fastest pace. Okay, now let's do it with the count and start. Sorry for the noise. Okay, let's start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do it with the and count. So it goes like हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा. That's it, guys. That's all you do. It has to be a little faster according to the song. So it goes like, I forgot the song. Please bear with me for my singing skills. So it goes like, हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा. That's it, guys. That's all you have to do for this step. So our first hook step is done. Next part we do, which is very easy. So we end it here, right? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our ending position. Then we move out our legs, and our hands are basically, both of them are up. Okay, my left hand is extended and my right hand goes out, sorry, in and clap, in and clap. Okay, in and clap. Elbows out, elbows in, elbows out, elbows in. And my legs are also stepping in the same way. So it goes right, left, right, left. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4. That's it. And our body is simply just synchronizing or giving it a little bit of side style. So you do simple waves like this. Okay, so your wave is, you put your chest out, put your chest in, put your stomach in, and just pull it out. Okay, so it's not this, it's the wave is from up to down, not down to up. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so head out, chest in, stomach out, sorry, hips out, hips in, chest out. That's it. That's the wave. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now we are not going to do this, we are just going to do this. Okay, so it goes like chest in. Okay, so we are gonna do 4 steps and 2 waves. Okay, so how does it look? 1 and 2, 1 and 2. That's it, guys. That's it. It's super easy. 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Yay! So our first hook step is done. Now let's move on to the second hook step, which is this. Now, first let me get off with the hands, which is the easiest part. The hands again. Your right hand goes in, your right hand goes out. Your right hand touches your left cheek and then it touches your right cheek. Okay, this. Not this, guys. Your hands are in the same position. It doesn't fold inward. It's always outwards. 1 and 2. Okay, and your left hand is simply down, or you can put it inside your pocket, whatever you wish. So this is the position. Sorry, this is the step. So this is the step. Now our hips also do a little movement, which is this. So you bend on your left leg, your hip goes up, left hip. You bend on your right leg, your right hip goes up. Okay, so this is basically our hip movement, and our movement for our legs is the most important part. So we bend on our left leg, okay? Our left leg is fully bent and our right leg goes in, out, in, out, in, out. Okay, so how does it look? In, out. Now while we are putting it out, make sure that you are lifting yourself up a little bit, okay? So 1 and 2. See, I'm lifted up a little bit, not so much. I'm just showing you the exaggerated version so that you can understand it better. I'm really sorry for all these stupid bike and car noises. They all have to pass when I'm shooting. Okay. So it goes like 1 and 2. Okay. So your hands up. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay. So let's do the full step. It's toba 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 toba. Sorry, I tripped. It's toba 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 toba. Okay, did you get it? I hope that you did. The next part is this part, 3 and 4. So it's basically 1. Your hands, both of your hands are up here on the air, folded, and your legs are also open. And while your hands are folded, your knees are bended inside and you are standing on your toes. Okay, you are standing on your toes. I hope that you saw it. You're standing on your toes and your knees are bended and your hands are like this. Okay, so how did we end? We did toba, toba, toba. And then from here you switch to this. So your position was like this, and then you moved your right leg in and your left leg in and you pull your hands up. Okay, so this is the step. So you stand on your toes, and then the next step is your right hand pushes your right cheek like this. Okay, and your left hand goes down. So it goes like this. Okay, and so your hands are up, it pushes your right cheek. Your hands are up, your right left pushes your right cheek. Sorry, your left hand pushes your right cheek. What did I just say? Yeah. So it goes like 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now your legs are basically this, 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 this. So it's basically this position. But while you're going out, first your left leg comes up towards your front. Sorry, I'm losing balance. And then your knees bend inwards again, and then your right leg goes up. Okay, so it goes like 1 and out, 1 out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. This is the main part. Okay, if you like master the legs, your hands are easy. So it goes 1 push, 1 push, 1 push, 1 push. Okay, I hope that you got it. So let's do the second part of the toba toba fully. So it goes like okay, that's it. That's all for the second part of the choreography. Now let's do the third hook step, which is this. This part is, I think, the most easiest part and the most easiest hook step part. So it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2. So how does it go? Your head is hitting with your right leg, okay? Sorry, right hand. I'm sorry guys, I'm just confusing my words because the fan is off and it's very hot here. So yeah, just bear with me, we are almost done. So your head sort of moves to the right, short movement to the right, and then a sort of bigger movement to the right. So it goes 1, 2. Okay? So, and your legs are also going to do the same thing, which is 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay? So it goes 1, 2. Okay? 1, 2. Same movement on the left side. So now your left knees are in and you are gonna touch your right cheek with your right hand. 1, 2. Again, 1, 2. 1, 2. So you can see I'm doing a little bit of toe taps. Okay? Little bit of toe taps, not that much. I don't think it's even visible on the camera. So you're just going to do a little much to show that your body is moving and your head is moving, but emphasis is on your head and your hand movement. Okay? So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, again 5, 6, 7, 8. This is it for the third part, and this ends with once you do this, you wanna jump in, and while you jump in, your right hand goes this, fold out, fold in, left hand comes out, and you do a push out. And this is a little bit confusing. So it goes like you jump in, put your right hand out like this. Your knees are bended, sorry, your elbows are bended in towards your body. Then you push your elbow out. Okay, so it goes like this. First step is this. Next is this. Next is again fold it down fully straight. Your hand is like fully straight or like mildly 90% just straight. Okay, and then your left hand comes out of your pocket or out of your back, wherever your hand was, and then you just do a hip thrust. This. Okay, that's it. Let me show it to you all again. So do it with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump out, in, left hand forward, hip thrust. I hope that you got it. Okay, this is going to take a little bit of time for you to practice, but this is going to be much faster. So it goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, I hope that you got it. Let's do it again. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and this. And this is the last part of the choreography. This is the last step of the choreography, which is you end it here. Okay, now your hands are going to sort of do a half drive situation. So you want to do this 3 times. Okay, so you close your wrist and this is your step. Okay, and while you are going to step, you are going to jump on your left leg and your right leg is going to extend backwards. So it goes like we were here. This is your next step. Okay, and you have to jump 3 times. So you are here and it goes 1, 2, 3. Okay, I hope that you got it. So you are here, 1, 2, 3. That's it, guys. Let's do all the Tawa steps from the beginning. And yeah, let's practice it as much as we can. So let's start with the test part and then till here. So let's go. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, 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 step. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4. In, out. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. In, hit, change. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and breathing out. And that's it, you guys. I hope that you all loved this choreography and loved this tutorial as well. Bosco artist choreographies are always super fun and super groovy. I love their choreography and Vicky just slayed the choreo. And yeah, I hope that you all love it. So give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down which video or which tutorial you want to see next, and I'm going to bring it to you very soon. I'm really sorry for the noises if you heard any. I'm sure you did, and yeah, I'm sorry I do not have a mic at the moment. And yeah, that's it. See you all very soon in my next video. You can practice with me when you check the description or this I button. I have my video uploaded in YouTube Shorts, and you can check out my video and practice with the music there with me. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you all very soon next week. Bye.